Traffic coverage you can count on.
Beautiful blue skies out there in Siskiyou County. We're taking a live look at Mount Shasta right now. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joins us. Jason, as pretty as it looks out there, for a lot of people, we're actually tracking some kind of treacherous weather when it comes to how dry and windy it is.
Yeah, very dry. Still don't want to do any burning anywhere around our region right now. We have a red flag warning that continues. I mentioned earlier in our broadcast, it was originally going to go until 6 o'clock tonight when it was initially issued. However, it's been extended by 24 hours. Snow on our red flag warning goes through 6 p.m. tomorrow evening with more sustained wind up to 20 miles an hour. Gusts, though, up to 40 cannot be ruled out. Humidity is going to be awfully low. Single digit and teen relative humidity around our region, so make sure you're cautious. But the good news is the wind is weakening gradually. By the time we get to tomorrow, it won't be nearly as windy, but it is awfully warm. Look at this, downright hot in Chico, still 90 degrees, but it's also windy. It kind of feels like a blast furnace outside. 87 degrees right now in Redding. It's a comfortable 74 in Bernie, already up to 83 degrees in Weaverville, but everyone around the region between 3 and 6 degrees warmer than just 24 hours ago. Chico, 4 degrees warmer than it was at this time yesterday afternoon. Very few clouds around all of Northern California, and that's what we're going to expect for tonight through tomorrow into tomorrow night. We have a ridge of high pressure that I've been tracking since last week. It's going to keep almost all the clouds away, so a mostly sunny to completely sunny day for us on Tuesday. We'll have a few clouds sneaking into our sky by Wednesday afternoon, but these are just cirrus clouds. They're going to do nothing except maybe filter that sunshine a little bit, but it's not going to keep us any cooler. We're actually going to get hotter Wednesday and Thursday than we will tomorrow, and tomorrow is going to be hotter than it was today. Now, we do have a break from this hot weather trend. We're going to have a trough of low pressure pushing over Northern California by Friday. It's going to push right down the spine of California Saturday and Sunday. There's a slight chance for some light rain showers over the mountains, but not much is going to happen. Then we're going to lose that cloud cover. We're going to gain some more heat. We'll also have some wind next Saturday, some breezes Friday and Sunday, but it won't be as strong as the wind that we've already gone through. Speaking of which, here's our wind gust future cast for the short term. It'll still be gusty at times tomorrow, but most of those gusts will be between 20 and 25 miles an hour. Weakening tomorrow afternoon, and we'll still have a few areas of 10 to 20 mile an hour wind as we move into Wednesday afternoon, but again, not as windy as it's been for a while. So here's your forecast for tomorrow for the northern mountains. And you thought it was warm today in Weaverville. It's going to get hotter tomorrow, expecting a high of 90, 88 degrees for Hayfork. Also, lots of upper 70s and lower 80s for the southern Cascades and the northern Sierra. Susanville, 80 degrees tomorrow, 78 degrees for Chester, up to 83 degrees for Quincy. For the Ridge, not cooling off too much tonight. A nice quiet night. We'll just have a few more breezes blowing. Lows between the 50s and 60s. Highs, though, from the upper 70s to the mid 80s from Butte Meadows to Magalia and Paradise. Then we head to the valley, not cooling off much. 50s and 60s for lows. Daytime highs are going to be hotter than today by about 5 to 7 degrees. Mid to upper 90s tomorrow, so do what you can during the morning hours when it's a little bit cooler outside. Chico area, lows tonight will be the mid to upper 50s, highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 90s. Another hot one for us, and it's only going to get hotter. Look at Wednesday and Thursday. Thankfully, it won't be that windy those 2 days, but it is going to be toasty. 97 degrees in Chico both of those days. We do drop down to the lower 80s by Saturday, but it will also be windy with a partly cloudy sky. And for Redding, mid to upper 90s tomorrow through Thursday also. Then 80s and lower 90s after that, with Saturday being the coolest day with a high of 85.